There was all water around. So what we did, we started off with all our machinery, started constructing a protection around the camp. It was the first and foremost thing which we did. For that, we worked round the clock, like 24/7. The complete machinery, it was out, and along with the machinery, the operators, the manpower and machinery, they both have borne the equal toll. They had been through a lot. Challenges, they are not over yet even. Like if there is heavy rains in the southern part of South Sudan or in the western part, we have flood here, or we have some heavy amount of water which needs to be dewatered. So it's a continuous process of re-raising of bunds and dikes, or dewatering, or the maintenance of the airstrip, or the MSR, the main artery. It's a continuous process.
Put a dike even across, advance ourselves forward, and then pump what is in that square off to the side, and then take away the berm.
Yeah.
And we had to build a road where we couldn't see the road.
Yeah.
Basically, we had to partition in.
They are actually, we all had a institutional memory of where used to be the conflict hotspot, and we also had a strategy to deal with it. We had a planned program to implement. However, now that dynamic changed because all those areas that we used to have as a conflict hotspot is underwater. So now the many people were coming to the smaller area. So we are having a reduction of the traditional crimes like cattle raiding, but at the same time that those cattle raidings are being concentrated in the area because everybody comes to the small area and then they came with the cows.
This water is going over. Is it maybe?
The shark will be floating, not like driving. It will be on because the water. All the way to Dindi. Dindi is where the and then you see how close the water is to the town.
And I think on your approach. So,
the beyond the Bentiu and then Rupkona, there's a lot of places, other places which is a remote area which are flooded as well. And if we are our humanitarian colleagues or agencies, and if they are not being able to operate, that it's going to affect their population in the local area as well. So that would be the worst case scenario. At the end of the day, if everything goes down in water, that we may not be able to stay in that area. If the water level goes up like last year, If you like it, and it's a quite comprehensive one, to actually keep ourselves above the water. Appreciation for the armies is greater. Our operational environment is much, much easier.
Cannot compromise even a single beach. It was the worst ever flood experience in the last 60 years. And these were the different reasons. We put an extra toll, heavy toll on the machinery and manpower as well.
Government was, however, directed to re-establish the temporary breathing base. Some of the tents to a much higher ground. However, as the shifting of tents and other equipment.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.